Hey guys, how are we doing today? Thank you for joining the stream. Please leave a like as you are rolling in. I appreciate everyone coming. We'll wait for a few more people to come in as per usual, but as always, guys, please do like the stream as you are rolling in. A few things I wanted to cover for you guys today. And just to let you all know, by the way, I'll repeat it again when more people do come in, but I won't be doing a live stream tomorrow. I have got a few things to do tomorrow. So instead, I will be giving you guys an update video just something that you guys can watch. Okay. So what we're going to be doing today, there's a few things I want to be doing. I want to be covering a few articles for you guys. If you want Elon Musk, obviously India coming out with the news as well, and the market is looking pretty green today too. So let's just jump straight into it. So here we go. The first one we have got: Elon Musk agrees with Vitalik Buterin on Dogecoin and Ethereum collaboration. That is pretty crazy. And I'm just going to wait for a few people to come in as well, because I can see a few people are. The flying tartar evening tan, I was looking at Luna on the rise. Have I missed the boat? No, not at all, man. You have not missed the boat at all. There's still a long way to go from Luna. Luna was $22 not too long ago, man. So there's still a long way to go for Luna, man. So I definitely recommend you get in while you can, for sure. Ridiculously authentic. What Discord or Telegram group should I join? Well, I'm not personally in any at the moment. I do have like my own Discord where I sometimes just speak to people and stuff. But in regards to actual Telegram groups or Discord groups, it's up to you, man. There's a few. Just ensure you are joining the right ones though, because there's so many scams out there, man. So many. So just look for some realistic ones that just give you some advice, or one that's on a particular coin. I'm in a Terra Luna Discord group. That's just literally all to do with Luna. It keeps me updated with news and stuff. So if you want to do that, do that. Otherwise, just be careful for scams. That's all I would say, man, because a lot of them are on Telegram. Telegram's like the worst place for scams. So yeah, just look out for that. Yeah, guys, please like the stream as you are rolling in, please. As I said, we will just wait for a few more people to come in. And for those that did miss it, I won't be doing a live stream tomorrow. I have got a few things to do. It's actually my girlfriend's graduation photos tomorrow. It all got cancelled last year because of COVID. So, we're going to be doing that tomorrow. So that should be pretty fun. But I will be posting a few videos for you tomorrow anyway, just to kind of take over from the live stream. So hopefully you guys do enjoy them. But yeah, so Elon Musk agrees Vitalik Buterin and Dogecoin on Dogecoin and Ethereum collaboration. So that is pretty crazy, man. Obviously, we were always talking about Dogecoin and how it can be found as a meme coin or a scam or whatever. But if you guys did see my stream yesterday, we were talking about it. It started gaining momentum. It's getting listed here, there, and everywhere. And next thing you know, it is now, could be, they are in talks of collaborating with Ethereum, with Vitalik Buterin. For those people that do not know who Vitalik Buterin is, he is the co-founder of Ethereum. That's him right there. So 27 years old, multi-millionaire, crazy guy. But yeah, he is basically in talks by collaborating with Dogecoin, which I find amazing at the moment. So yeah, that is pretty crazy. How's it going, Bob? Thank you for joining, Bob. Really appreciate it. So yeah, let's read this article quickly, because yeah, that's some crazy news, man. With the way Doge is moving, and I said it yesterday as well. I can't really look at it anymore as just some scam thing. I need to kind of just open my eyes and just realize, look, this thing is actually taking big steps right now. Not that I would ever invest in it, because you guys know me, but I need to obviously make people realize and see what Doge is actually doing. So it says here, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said he pretty much agrees with Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin about a collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum. Buterin said, if we can have a secure Doge to Ethereum bridge, that would be amazing. So it says here, the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin talked about a potential collaboration between Ethereum and Dogecoin in an interview with AI researcher Lex Fridman last week. Referring to the Tesla and Space CEO repeatedly tweeting about Dogecoin, Fridman said, there's a power behind someone like Elon Musk pushing the development of a cryptocurrency. He then asked Buterin, is there a way to leverage that power and momentum to improve Ethereum? So yeah, there you go, guys. And he basically went on here to talk about how if you was able to trade wrapped Doge with very low transaction fees and high speed as well. So they're looking to bring in a Doge to Ethereum bridge. So we will see how that starts moving and whether or not we're going to start seeing some price action on them. But yeah, Dogecoin is becoming big, and I will keep repeating it. It's not something I would still invest in, purely because it went from under a cent to whatever it is now. It has had a huge run, and people need to just remember that, right? Need to calm down a little bit and just remember that. But we cannot deny, the movements that Doge is going through right now is pretty crazy. So we'll see how that develops. At the moment, it is just talk. They literally just spoke about it on all that actually happened was that Elon Musk agreed. There we go. All he said was that I pretty much agree with Vitalik. So that was literally it. There wasn't actual talks or anything like that. But little things like this, little comments like this with Vitalik, someone like Vitalik talking about Doge, collaborating with Ethereum. And then, Elon just simply replying saying he agrees with Vitalik. That's going to cause huge speculation in social media and stuff. And obviously make the headlines. So, yeah, that was in an interview. And he tweeted it. So yeah, there we go, man. We'll just have to see where that goes from here. But pretty crazy stuff, man. What are you lot thinking on that? Are you now more attracted to Doge because of it, because of all the news? It was obviously listed on Revolut yesterday as well. So there's quite a bit going on for it, isn't it? Yeah, we'll just see what legs there are, man. But things are moving fast in this world with crypto. Way too fast with the whole El Salvador thing, which I'm going to come on to in a second as well. I got quite a few cool photos to show you. Actually, he controls the market with simple words. He does. He definitely does. And I don't know if you saw the stream the other day, man, but when he tweeted the broken heart emoji and then the market tanked, that's how powerful he is. That's how powerful he is. Luna had a huge run, but that has a lot of room to go up. Can't deny the big community and potential network effect. Yeah, guys, for me, I am holding Luna a very long time. I genuinely think that in the years to come, this coin will be in the top 5 with the way it's going. And obviously the passive income it brings through just from staking it, which I will do a video on it. It is crazy. It is absolutely crazy. Right now, just for staking Luna, you earn Luna for staking Luna. You then get a weekly airdrop of MIR. You get a weekly airdrop of Anchor Protocol. There's another weekly airdrop coming from Pylon Protocol. Plus, they got another 16 airdrops coming just for staking Luna. Crazy. Just stake Luna. The only downside with staking Luna is that if you want to take it out, you got to wait 21 days. But that's it. That's it. And to me, I don't care. That can stay there. And as well as Luna going up as well in price, man, I'm a happy man. That's why that's why I love the coin so much. And I will always talk about it freely on here. That's one coin I will never back down from talking about. So I even tweeted earlier today, if you're not holding Luna, what are you doing? I just find it as simple as that. But look, I don't want to make it a whole stream about Luna, but we might as well just quickly take a look at it because it did have a very impressive run, didn't it? So let's take a quick look at this. Luna USDT. So it did have a pretty cool run today. Now it has dropped a little bit, and I'm going to talk about this because it's very similar to the Bitcoin chart. But you could just see here the hourly chart, even that candle there. We went from $5, we went up a whole $1.50. But yeah, the way it's been moving today, it's been pretty cool. The rest of the market has been kind of red. Not that everything's been tanking, but it has just been a little bit red today. But it was good to see Luna, make some good moves, man. What does that mean, these drops? Okay, so basically, whenever you stake something, so for Luna, for example, if you're staking Luna, because they are part of a big ecosystem and Luna's like the center of everything, for staking Luna, they reward you with other cryptocurrencies by airdropping it to you. You have to have certain things in place, which is basically, I can actually show you guys. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. And good evening, my man. Good evening. But I will show you guys. I'll get there in a second. Is it worth having a play with a couple of hundred in a really low price coin? It depends what low price coin you're looking at. Just remember, low cap coins are extremely volatile, right? They're the ones that will be, you know, making the crazy moves up, but then they'll also be the ones making the crazy moves down. So it depends what one you're into. If you can find a low cap gem which has a lot of potential and legs, and you know it looks like it's going to go very, very well in the near future due to what it's doing, then cool, hold it. You can make a great great income on it, great return on it. So yeah, man, it just depends what one. Do you have one in mind? Maybe I've heard of it. If you wanna note it down, man, I'll let you know what I think if you want. How's it going, man? Thank you for joining. If everyone can like, by the way, but let me quickly show you what I mean with this Luna airdrop. I wasn't going to show you this, right? But I thought I might as well, because I do find it pretty cool. I literally wake up every morning, I take a look at my Luna, how much is staked, what rewards I've got, and everything else, right? So here we go. Let me see if I could do this, because I need to get a tab up. So tell you what I can do, right? Here, this is Mirror Protocol, okay? At the moment here, this is terra.mirror.finance. When I stake Luna, I get an airdrop of this, and the airdrop will just kind of appear here, right? And I've actually got the Luna airdrop timer here. So if I click on that, I can see that the next airdrop of MIR, there's a logo of MIR there, will be in 17 hours. So in 17 hours, I'll come back to this page and I will get an airdrop of MIR. And I believe you get 1 MIR for every 1,000 Luna staked. Okay. And it will just go here. Here I stake some MIR as well. There's the APR, which you can earn, which is crazy APR. All you've got to do is go to governance and stake it. Guys, I know this will be very, very confusing for you because, you know, how do you actually get on this page and everything? I completely get it. I will do a video on this for you, right? But then you've also got Anchor Protocol. And here I will be getting an airdrop of Anchor. And for every 1,000 Luna you stake, you get 3 Anchor. And the airdrops are once a week, right? And Anchor is on, so Anchor and MIR are on Binance or KuCoin or wherever. Sorry, Anchor is not on Binance yet, it's on KuCoin, but MIR is on Binance. So you can physically get airdropped it and you can move it to the exchange and you can sell it for money, or you can just keep holding it and staking MIR if you wanted to. So, you know, like I said, it is very, very confusing. You basically need to download something called Terra Station, which is where you stake your Luna. And once you've done that and you've staked it, you then download Anchor Protocol, Mirror Protocol, and then you get literally after staking Luna, you start getting weekly airdrops of all of these. I know it's a lot to take in. I didn't really come prepared to show you guys everything about it. So I do apologize if it is very, very confusing. I want to do an actual video on it for you because the rewards you get just for staking Luna are crazy. So imagine I'm getting Anchor Protocol, Mirror Protocol airdrops. There's going to be another one coming very soon. Plus, there's another 16 to come throughout the year. So imagine all of these airdrops that you're going to be stacking up that you can physically then move back to an exchange and just take it for yourself as money. That's how amazing Luna is. That's why people are buying it. Their ecosystem is amazing. What they're achieving is amazing, and they look after their community as well with all of these airdrops, right? So it's really, really good. So all these are altcoins. Yep, every coin other than Bitcoin is an altcoin. So every other coin in the world other than Bitcoin is an altcoin. That's basically what it is. I don't have a specific one in mind. More to get used to Binance buying and selling. Okay, so if you want to get used to buying and selling coins, then bro, I would. Sorry, I called you bro. I don't know if you are a woman or a man because your name's a flying tar. I'm sorry. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend buying and selling. So practicing buying and selling low cap coins because they are extremely volatile. I would get something maybe within the top 20, 30 on coin market cap, right? So I would just recommend doing that. Has it started working again? Yeah, cool. You're a bro. Okay, bro. I'll start calling you bro. Elon is to crypto what Trump was for the stock market. Absolutely. It's crazy, isn't it? I remember when Trump was president and we were always just waiting for his news just to see what he'd do to the stock market. But the stock market and the crypto market does have a correlation. So we've always got to look out for that as well. But yeah, I completely agree. I'm confused, but it sounds like a win-win, right? It is a win-win. It is a win-win. The only thing that is the downside, like I said, is if you wanted to actually stop staking Luna and you want to remove your Luna from Terra Station to stop receiving these airdrops, you have to wait 21 days for you to actually then move your Luna back to the exchange. But if you are someone that is trying to hold Luna for a very long time and you don't mind that, then you could just leave it in there and constantly earn, right? But yeah, I get it is very confusing. Staking can be extremely confusing. I was so confused. I had no idea what it meant when I first started crypto, but once you get used to it, once you know what you are doing, it is very easy. It's just about getting used to how to use these apps. How do you actually download Mirror protocol, Anchor protocol, Terra Station, all of these words, right? But I'll do a video of it. It will probably be a very long video breaking everything down. I know a lot of people that don't even watch my streams want me to do this video on Luna, simply because they just follow me on Twitter and I do tweet a lot about Luna. But again, they don't know how to actually use it and stake it. So yes, I am going to be doing a video. How to get Luna, you could just buy it on Binance, bro. You could buy it on Binance, you could buy it on KuCoin. So you could just buy it, but staking Luna has to be a whole other video for you guys. But don't worry, I'll cover that for you for sure. Anyway, yeah, so the next thing I wanted to talk about was obviously Bitcoin. Bitcoin's obviously gone on a little bit of a mad run today, right? And you know, the thing is, the market hasn't really gone up with it. Luna obviously did, but Bitcoin seemed to have got through some important levels today of resistance. And I just wanted to brief over it for you guys and just kind of let you know what I see. Just before we go on to that chart, here's a quick article on it. It basically says Bitcoin shoots up after global regulator proposes first ever rules for banks to hold crypto. So the Independent are basically saying that Bitcoin's just gone up today because they banks want regulation for it. Basel Community Committee news sees cryptocurrency shoot up by more than $2,000 despite being placed in a high risk category. And it basically just says here that Bitcoin has been formally recognized as an asset class by the Basel Community, the regulator of international banking standards, with a proposal to introduce capital rules for cryptocurrency. So you've even got Basel coming on it as well. So we'll see how that develops. And then that just kind of goes on to the whole El Salvador thing as well, because India now may move to classify Bitcoin as an asset class. So you've obviously got Europe, you've got South America, Central America, you've now got Asia. Obviously India now trying to make it an asset class, which is very, very crazy. And obviously if that was to happen as well, we've seen how quick these things are actually happening. You never know. India may class Bitcoin as an asset class very, very soon. So it will be very, very interesting to see how that develops too. But which Luna, Euro or Bitcoin? Luna's Luna. So even if you're buying Luna over USDT, Luna over Euro, Luna over Bitcoin, you're still buying Luna, if that makes sense. It doesn't matter what pair you are using. So I'm assuming you've got Euros then, right? I would just type in, let me just double check if Luna does have a Euro pair. Because if it does, you could just do it. So let me just have a quick look for you because I could show you through the phone. Yeah, it does. So here, this is what you'd be looking at. Luna over Euro. You want Luna to come first, and then you literally just click buy. And then however much you want to buy, you just buy it, right? Simple as that. And then if you go to your wallet, you'll have Luna in there. Doesn't matter what pair you're using. Here, Tanner, ready to moderate the scammers. Thank you very much, my man. Got some people in the background doing the dirty work for me. Keep these scammers out. Give Crypto Bible a shout out, guys. On Binance, there are 5 different Lunas. Which one do we buy? I'm really new to this. Okay, so again, over pound. All right, so does it have Great British Pound? What I do, guys, if everything has a USDT pair, pretty much 99% of these coins have a USDT pair. So whenever I deposit pounds or euros or whatever it is, I would trade pounds or euros into USDT, and then I would just buy Luna over USDT. But it doesn't matter. It does not make any difference at all if you're buying Luna over Bitcoin, USDT. Doesn't matter, right? It's just a pair that you could buy it with because there's so many different currencies out there. Binance just wants to be helpful and make sure they're adding loads of different trading pairs to make it easier for everyone, right? But Luna is Luna, as long as you've just got it in your wallet. So yeah, that's basically how you do that, guys. So yeah, India making moves as well now. Obviously discussing it as Bitcoin becoming a asset class. And it says here, after El Salvador's historic move to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, things are looking brighter back home in India for crypto enthusiasts. Top sources tracking the industry told this publication that the government has moved away from its earlier hostile stance towards virtual currencies and will most likely classify Bitcoin as an asset class in India soon. So for those of you that do not know, a few months ago, India started bringing out a lot of bad news, a lot of FUD as they call it, and they wanted to ban cryptocurrencies. So there was this whole section in a month, right? I forgot what month it was, but it was just India, and they wanted to ban this, they wanted to ban that, all to do with cryptocurrency. Now all of a sudden they want to classify Bitcoin as an asset class. So yeah, Bitcoin making moves, man. It is pretty crazy right now. And you know, don't be surprised if the price of Bitcoin does just keep driving up, because there's so many factors driving it right now. But we'll just have to wait and see. But speaking of Bitcoin, I thought we'd just quickly take a look at the chart midway through the stream, just so I can show you what I'm seeing here, right? So where are we? Here we go. So this is the Bitcoin chart. I'll put it full screen for you guys, as I always do for the charts, as I feel like you can see it a bit more easier. So what we've obviously done here, if you did see my video this morning, I was just basically talking about Bitcoin going up, having a bull flag up, bull flag up, bull flag, and so on, so on. We were around here when I done the video, and I was expecting another breakout. But what we've done right now, we've actually just dropped down a little bit. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to actually just quickly draw a line on this chart right here. Just right there. And the reason why I wanted to draw that is because this level right here, if we do drop below this level, this is the hourly chart, and if we close about below this level, so again, for those of you that don't know what open and closes means when it comes to these candles, this line is called a wick. Okay, so here is the most it dropped this hour. The top of the wick is the most it's been up this hour. And this is where we are right now. Okay, if this candle closes below this line, I feel like we're going to start, you know, going down a little bit again, short term. Why? Because over here, this was obviously seen as resistance, and we broke it today. Okay, over here it was seen as support, resistance. It was clearly a, you know, a very, very important line. And even if we go all the way back here, guys, we can see that even there it acted as support. If I go to the 4-hour chart, and I'll just zoom out a little bit, you know, this area right here, it's actually lays at $36,500, right? It's just a very it's just an area of interest for me. Literally resistance, support, resistance. So it was just a very important line for me. So I'd like to see us hold it and then just kind of carry on up a little bit further. But yeah, we'll just have to wait and see how that kind of pans out. I've gone full screen there, but yeah, that's basically what I was looking for Bitcoin. But it seems to be doing okay at the moment. We did peak just below it, but then ever since that, we've obviously just bounced straight back above it, confirming support again. But I'll keep an eye on it. It seems to be holding very, very well at the moment. Do you think Bitcoin will drive up and push up all the other altcoins? Yeah, I definitely think it will. Altcoins always outperform Bitcoin, and it's just a matter of waiting for the altcoins to start doing their thing. Okay, there'll come a time in the market where things will just not follow what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, and they'll just go on their own run and they'll just start going crazy, right? So look at Doge, for example. You've even got coins like Matic, ADA. For those of you that don't know, I can quickly just show you quickly what I mean by those. So if I just go back to full screen here, go to trading view. If I show you a coin called Matic, I actually used to be in this coin. We can see that Matic actually had a monster run. So I was analyzing this not too long ago. Let me take this off the chart. Here we go. So as you can see here, it's just been going up, right? I was in Matic at 3 cents. Where was it? All the way down here. I actually rode it up and I sold all of my position at 50 cents. It was around there. I sold around there. So I rode all that up, right? But you can see here, Matic has been proven to be a leader in this market. So it's obviously gone on its own run while the rest of the market was kind of just still. Some coins have been popping here and there, right? But Matic has just been consistently outperforming the market going on its run, right? Now, what happened here? We can see here, right, that in this area, which was between, you got March to end of April, right? It was just kind of flat. Now, while this was flat, we actually saw a lot of other altcoins outperform Matic. So what we've seen was Matic went on its run, proving itself as a leader. And whilst Matic cooled off, so we can see at the bottom, if you look to the bottom of the screen here, right? March to April, to the 20th of April. Now, if we look at Luna, we go to Luna between March. See, beginning of March here, and then to April, you could see that while Matic was kind of chilling out, others, I'm just showing you one example here, but others started going on their run, right? Whereas whilst Matic was going on its run in this area here, everything else was kind of just stagnant. It was still. So here's an example. Luna was still, Matic went up. Luna went up, Matic was still. So again, I hope you guys understand what I mean. There's always leaders and then there's laggers in this market. And Matic has just been proven to be a leader in this market. But yeah, as you can see, things do outperform. Matic went from 1 cent to over $1. That's 100 times your money. Bitcoin ain't doing that. Do you know what I mean? So that's why it's more profitable to be in altcoins. That's why I don't have a position in Bitcoin. But of course, it's up to everyone. How's it going, Dan? Nice of you to join us. Would you wait to see if the support holds before buying? It depends what you're buying. At this point, like I said, I've just been chilling. And also at this point, everything is still technically in a dip. So I'm used to seeing Luna up below above $20, man. And right now it's chilling at $6. That is a steal. That is an absolute steal. So everything technically right now is in a dip. So buying anything at this point, I would still consider it a good buy. But yeah, obviously, I suppose it just depends on what you're buying, man. Anyway, I wanted to just basically show you guys something. Here it is. So I found this pretty cool picture. This was in El Salvador. Here it is here. They're actually just showing how they are accepting Bitcoin now. And I just find it pretty cool. You can see and in the back there, they're actually at the seaside. The sea's in the back right there. And they're accepting Bitcoin now. This is just like a little ice cream place. And yeah, they seem to be happy. We were obviously talking about it yesterday, see how the locals actually fit in. Oh, if you go to your local butcher's, for instance, and someone wants to pay you in Bitcoin, how is he going to handle that, right? But, you know, there you go, man. You know, people seem to be enjoying it. I know I'm just judging off one photo, but it seems to be a big thing. And the president of El Salvador does seem to be moving in the right direction for these people. So yeah, that was pretty sick. And then I then found this, which I found pretty cool. Let me get it up. Here it is here. There you go. What do we see there? That is a Wikipedia, which has now listed Bitcoin as an El Salvadorian currency. So as well as the United States dollar, Bitcoin is now the currency as well. It is very, very weird to see that. As I said, history has been made, guys. And I think a lot of countries will follow suit very, very soon. So yeah, crazy stuff, man. Crazy, crazy stuff. Surprised these other South American countries, Central American countries haven't actually declared it as well. Just like El Salvador. What are they waiting for now, innit? What are they waiting for? El Salvador made the move. We'll wait and see what they're going to do. Just successfully created a grid trade today. For more practice and knowledge. Do you day trade? No, I don't day trade. I don't really recommend day trading crypto too much, simply due to the fact that it is very volatile. Crypto, in my opinion, should just be something that you are buying and holding. I made my money. I became successful in crypto simply just by buying coins and then just holding them. I didn't see any profit for about 9-10 months when I originally invested into crypto, but I understood, because I understood where the market was going to go. So I kept buying whilst no one was talking about anything. And I simply waited. And in the end, everything did finally start popping off. I don't even think we've seen the real thing yet. But yeah, I never actually day traded. Buy and hold, man. Get in the right projects, buy and hold, have your targets, and you will make more money than day trading. Because day trading cryptocurrency is not like day trading stocks and Forex and stuff like that, man. Definitely don't recommend it unless you know exactly what you are doing. Everything is definitely on sale, man, for sure. Arsenal fan 30, thanks for joining, man. Yo, what's up, Tanner? Have you heard of the mayor in Miami is looking to accept Bitcoin? Also, they had a Bitcoin conference there a few days ago. Yeah, they had a Bitcoin conference on Saturday last week. It was a major thing. That's where the El Salvador news actually came up from. They were there and they discussed it, and then they made it happen a few days later. I didn't know about Miami looking to accept Bitcoin, though. as a currency, that would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? That would be major news, even bigger than El Salvador. This is in the, we're in the States now, man. This is going to be pretty cool if that happens. So but yeah, I have not seen that news. I'll probably try and bring it up tomorrow if possible. I'll tell you what, let me see if I can quickly find it, man, because that would be pretty cool to read. Let's have a look. Miami news. Let's see what we got. This Miami Beach home is the most expensive ever to be bought by cryptocurrency. Oh man, do you know what? It probably just came out, man. I haven't actually seen it myself, but let me know if you do have the article for it. Otherwise, I will be bringing it up tomorrow for you guys. And just to let you all know, I won't be doing a live stream tomorrow. It is my girlfriend's graduation photos. We couldn't have them last year because of COVID, but I will be away tomorrow. But there will still be a few videos being posted for you. Quite an interesting one tomorrow as well. One that was actually asked at the beginning when I created the channel. So hopefully you guys do enjoy. So keep an eye out for that. So instead of a live stream, I will be posting a few videos as well. But I will be back on Monday for you all. I guess it's a bit like, do you want to be a horse owner or be a punter in the bookies? I guess horse owners are generally richer in the long run. Yep, that is pretty much it, isn't it, man? Mayor of Miami is big on crypto. He spoke at the conference. Do you know what? It seems like all of these mayors and presidents and leaders are all big on crypto all of a sudden, isn't it? All of a sudden, they're all big on it. Previously, they all wanted to ban it. Now, they're all on it. Follow the vibe, I suppose, man. But crypto's going the right way. What can we say? We're in it at a good time, in my opinion. And if we just, show a little bit of patience, guys, I think we'll all make it, man. So yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Anyway, listen, guys, Euros tomorrow. Okay. I thought we would, I'd come up with something cool. Me and the Crypto Bible gang, we have decided to make a little bit of a game out of it. And what we did was actually take all of these teams that are in the Euros and assign them to a certain cryptocurrency. So what we're going to have is actual currencies coming against each other, and we're just going to see who wins at the end. So just so I could make a little bit more sense of it for you guys, let me actually get it up, because you must be thinking, what is he on right now? So let me show you what we've actually come up with. Turkey gonna run Italy over? I hope not, man. I've got money on Italy, man. I think they're dark horses. So take a look at this. This is what we come up with. So basically, in order of the strongest cryptocurrencies, or according to CoinMarketCap anyway, and in order of what we believe are the strongest teams, we have put them like this. So France, obviously being Bitcoin, Belgium, Ethereum. England is stuck with the Binance coin, guys. How do we feel about that? BNB. They're just an exchange token. They ain't no big player out here. Obviously BNB is great, but yeah, England, they're stuck with BNB. Germany with Cardano. Portugal, Dogecoin. So Portugal has got Dogecoin. Italy with XRP. I didn't actually realize. So there we go. My team will be XRP. I hold XRP as well, so I ain't moaning it. Spain with Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, Litecoin. These are basically the top 24 coins with the top 24 teams. And what we then decided to do was basically make like a table. And I don't know if you guys are going to be in this with me, but I'm going to be bringing it up a lot, right? So what we have got here is this. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. Cool. Just making sure. Where are we? Here we go. So as we can see here, we have put all of these teams together in the table with their cryptocurrency as well, and we're going to see who wins. And I just want to see what you guys are thinking, right? What are we actually thinking here? What I want to see something like flipping Neo and Phil, man. I want to see that. That would be a good match. Who's going to be winning out of Neo and Phil? So whenever we have a game, I ain't going to be saying Turkey's playing Italy. I'm saying ICP is coming against XRP. Who's going to win? Who was the better team? Who had the most possession in that game? Do you know what I'm saying? So I thought we'd just make a little bit of fun out of it, man. We've got to do something with the Euros. It's going to be taking over the news over the next few weeks, and I thought we'd just have a little bit of fun with it, so yeah, that's basically going to be it. That's the fixtures there. And yeah, so my money, guys, is on XRP. What are you guys saying? And I'm going to be bringing this up in the live stream when I come back on Monday. And I want to basically see the craziest predictions out there. And whoever's right, I might do a little something special for you, man. The person who gets it right, I might have something special in store for you guys. I ain't gonna tell you what it is, but if you guys do want to put in a little prediction, you know, we will see what comes at the end of it. And I'm gonna tell you guys what I think, right? I'm saying XRP, okay, will come against. Let's have a quick look. Where's Germany at? I can't find. Hang on a sec. I've got it on the small screen. I am saying XRP will come against Germany. What is Germany? Germany is Cardano. XRP versus Cardano. The OGs. The OGs. Okay. That's what I'm saying, right? I saw France play the other day. I was impressed, but the team they played wasn't all that. I want to see how they do when they come against a team who's a bit stronger defensively. So personally, I'm going for XRP over Cardano ADA. I'm going to be, you know, bringing it up every live stream. I'm going to see your predictions. But yeah, what do you guys think of that, man? Do you think that's a good idea? Am I just being stupid right now? I thought I'd just come up with something fun for you guys, man. You know, mix up a little bit because it doesn't all have to be about crypto, man. The Euros are going to be in the news for the next month. So I thought we'd just, you know, bring it out. So who are you backing anyway? Who are you guys backing? I want to see those predictions in here. I don't think that's going to happen. Turkey going to turn over Italy. If they do, I'd be very shocked. Turkey actually played well recently, haven't they? So, you know, we'll see how that comes along. But I do feel like Italy will do a madness. Don't know if you've seen their stats. They haven't lost in like, what was it, like 27 games? You're saying Turkey as well. Who's Turkey? What's Turkey on? Let me just get that. Let me get that back up for you guys. Turkey is. Oh, it was ICP, wasn't it? Sorry, I got it up last time. ICP. You're going for internet computer, yeah? Okay. Are you Turkish, by the way? Just out of interest. Can you put the names in the chat again? There you go. Full screen for you, man. Full screen. Have a quick look at that, guys. And let me know what you're saying, Dan. So you're saying Yilmaz hat trick. That's interesting. I am actually Turkish myself. I'm Turkish Cypriot, and I'm going against Turkey right now. So I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah. Nah, you're Cypriot. Are you my guy? Are you my guy? I'm Cypriot as well. Are you Turkish Cypriot? Sorry, I just get interested because whenever I find another Turkish Cypriot, it's kind of like it's just a thing. Like, oh, it's not like if you find another Turkish guy from Turkey, but when you're actually Cypriot, there's just a connection. I don't know what it is. There's just this connection, right? Yes, you are as well. Do you know what? For the guys that don't actually know, we're probably gonna turn out to be some kind of cousins from my mum's uncle's dog's cousin or something like that. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's why it's a big deal. But yeah, that's pretty cool, man. It's good to see there's another Turkish Cypriot in here. That's pretty cool. But yeah, you're thinking Turkey. Fair enough. Fair enough. I don't know about that. They were playing well recently, but I like to see how they do against tougher teams. But yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens, man. We'll wait and see what happens. Dan, have you come up with anything yet? Turkey, Italy, but I think Italy will win. Yeah, I think Italy will win as well. I definitely think Italy will win as well. I think they are the darkest horses in this competition. Literally, huge dark horses, man. And their price as well. I got in at like 9-1 or something. Just something little. I don't usually bet, but obviously Euros. I thought, why not have a little bit of fun with it, man? England Turkey final. Jeez, I think they're getting knocked out quick time, man. Especially England. That's brave. Are you just going with your nations, man? Because if that's what you're doing, don't do that. Otherwise, I would have said the same thing. I just can't agree with it. I just cannot agree with it, man. Oh, France, Italy, or Germany final. Okay. So that's what's that? XRP, Bitcoin, or Cardano. That's what you're going for. I'm gonna basically update it every single time for you guys, but I'll make sure I do that. But yeah, I'll definitely like to see what's gonna pan out with all of it. Yes, Hendon, late to the stream. Good evening all. Man, we're just talking about football right now. We've done all the crypto stuff. I basically brought out this sorry, can we just see what teams they actually are? 1 second. North Macedonia, yeah. So IOTA versus who did you say? Finland versus Finland. Who we got there then? We got IOTA versus where's Finland at? Why am I struggling to find Finland, man? Because someone put it in the chat. Oh, here it is, Neo. Jeez, that would be a final, wouldn't it? Neo versus IOTA. You joker, you joker. But yeah, Henry Guna, this is basically what we've got. These are the teams right here. So you got the 24 teams and then the 24 top cryptocurrencies, and we're basically just going to be following it and you know, keeping an eye on it and see who's going to be in the final. I personally, I'm going for Italy, so I've gone for XRP, and I think Germany could make it to the final as well after seeing how they played the other day. So I think it's going to be an XRP versus ADA final. What are you saying? Germany versus Wales, no England. You love your Wales, man. You were talking about that yesterday as well, wasn't it? Yes, Kardash, man. It's weird, man. It is weird speaking to an Turkish Cypriot on it. But it's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. Whereabouts in Cyprus you from? Or your family? That'd be cool to know. France win, I'm sticking with it. Are you just going for the favorites? That's boring, man. That is boring. You're going Doge. You're going Portugal. Don't know, man. Maybe. They've all been playing well. I can't call it. I cannot call it. We'll see. I'm going to be disappointed if if Italy lose to Turkey, though, after how much I've been bigging them up. That would be pretty embarrassing, man. Ronaldo all the way. Yeah, we'll see how he does this time round, man. That would be pretty interesting to see. But yeah, Henry Guna, man, if you want to go back and have a look, there was some interesting news that we covered. A few pictures to show as well of El Salvadorians taking Bitcoin as payment. That was pretty cool as well. IMF have come out today to say El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender can pose significant risks. Yes, I believe we actually did. We cover that? Did I? Where's that gone? I think yeah, I did see that though. I did see that. I don't. You know, I think that's just kind of trying to create some kind of FUD along the way. I don't get why it will be a significant risk. It's a risk doing it. I don't think it will become a huge significant risk in the future though, because I think every other country will start following suit. Exactly. It's all through the blockchains, isn't it? So the only bad thing about Bitcoin is obviously how slow it can be, right? The transactions, they're very slow. Using something like XRP is quicker, but there you go. Being part Dutch, I have to go with Netherlands as a dark horses to win the Euros. The Netherlands, we didn't even have a look at them, guys. The only reason I haven't even brought them into conversation is because they played very poorly recently, from what I saw. What have we got here? Let me just get that table up for you guys again so you can see as well. Where's the Netherlands on here? Solana. Really good project, by the way. If you guys don't know what Solana is, take a look at it. I'm personally not invested in it, simply because I feel like I was a little bit too late. But if I wasn't in Luna, I'd be taking a look at Solana. So that'll be a pretty good one, man. Seeing Solana in the final. Got a few Turkish Cypriots in here now. Come on, Turkey. This is my sister, by the way, guys, for those of you that don't know. Exactly. Nothing concrete in the explanation of those risks. Yeah, absolutely nothing at all. It's all tracked. It's all on blockchain. Like I said, the only bad thing is Bitcoin is slow. Is XRP going to come into play in the future? We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, for now, it is just Bitcoin, man. For now, it is just Bitcoin. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I do think I am going to call it there. I know we were a little bit short today, but there's a few things that I need to get sorted for tomorrow. Got my girlfriend's graduation photos, so hopefully that all goes well. I'm looking fat as heck right now, man, simply because I've been bedbound for so long due to my surgery, but I'm going to have to find a suit that I actually fit in. I'm literally going to be doing that right after this stream. Yeah, you know them ones where the buttons start popping? That's definitely happening, man. Definitely happening. You know, when you're taking a photo and you're sucking your stomach in just to make yourself look a little bit more fit next to your girlfriend, because if so, graduation photos and them photos are going to be on the wall for years and years to come, and you're looking like a fat, yeah, them ones. But what can you do, man? Just got to take it, man. Just got to take it. Yes, Scott. Hi, Tyler. No notification again. Missed the video. I'll watch back. No worries at all, man. No worries at all. Go watch it back. We're going to come to an end now anyway. Enjoy the rest of you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Take more of them. I know for those of you that did miss it, there is no live stream tomorrow, okay, because of everything happening with the graduation and stuff. So I am going to be posting a few videos for you guys and one to look out for as well, one that has been highly requested recently. So look out for them. Otherwise, guys, make sure you get your Euro picks in. these. I want to see them next time I come in. We'll be tracking them. And yeah, look out for the videos tomorrow. And then obviously I'm off on the weekend for the live stream, so I will be back on Monday 6:30 for you all. I'll try my best to get some videos out for you over the weekend as well, guys. So yeah, and guys, as I always say, we're very close to 600 subs. It's just kind of been stagnant lately. I'm not really too bothered about how quick it goes up, but it'll be cool to see 600. So if you guys can share and like and subscribe, I appreciate all of that stuff. So yeah, guys, I will catch you all very, very soon. I'll see you on Monday. Take care, people. Take care.